Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This report is for trading on Monday, March the 7th. The chart you have in front of you is the emini S&P 500. I'm sorry, this is the dollar index. I take that back. I'm moving ahead of myself. I wanted to point out a few things here. First thing you'll notice that we are in a bull market still, hence the green bull in the bottom right hand corner. The trend is bullish, hence the trend bull market. Prices are trading above this wide Kumo cloud. You have this peach line and the green line, both intermediate and long-term moving averages, or trading above the cloud. The danger is that we had on Friday price closed lower than they opened with weak bids going into the close. That's not a good thing. All right. The trend channel right now is down, or i.e. we have a negative swing VIX, hence the red candles here. All right. Even though you can see it pointing up or sloping up, it's still red. That's not good. Red bars, according to the pulsescan swing VIX system, indicates negative momentum or negative bot checks in the market, meaning that within the next 3 to 5 days you can expect sideways to lower prices. Last time we had this negative swing VIX, we did collapse here the week of February the 1st. Huge collapse. We're setting up for another one here according to the pulsescan swing VIX. So we wanted to give you the heads up on that. Alright, let's see here on the technicals. We may have some possible crash alerts too. Let me just double check on this. Let's see here. Alright, let's see. The last overbought signal we had was 11 trading periods ago, or 11 weeks ago. Let's see. Since the last swing VIX, we have prices increased 1.29% in a range from a high of 98.60 to a low of 95.28. Currently, the trend is still under heavy accumulation. That's why we've been able to stay above the Kumo cloud. However, the trend strength is weak and range bound. All right, the market has put in a short-term top. That means that bulls are liquidating long positions, thus taking some profit off of the table. Where is our weekly outlook going to be? Well, it's simple. We have current weekly pulse wave price projections. On the top side, we have par, and then we have on the bottom side 95.16. So that's what we're going to be on the lookout for in the coming week. Other things of interest would be, let's see here, 12 to 18 month price outlook. If things remain on course the way they've been going, we still have the possibility of hitting par and actually getting as high as 128.72. Now that's going to take some doing, but the 12 to 18 month outlook, that's what it's saying. All things being equal, if we continue on this uptrend, that's what you're probably going to be looking at. On the bottom side, if the trend gives up the ghost here and collapses and we drop below the Kumo cloud, the immediate 12 to 18 month outlook is a price target of 86.82. All right, so that's where we are now with that one. Let's see what else we got here. Volatility, we closed above the lower band by 34.5%. So that's what we have here on the US dollar index. Let's take a look now at the next chart. Alright, this chart here is the S&P 500, the emini S&P futures. As you can see where we are here, according to the chart. Let me pull up the longer term. Don't like the dailies. I like to work off the weeklies because you get to see more of the big picture. And the charts tend to speak a little bit more clearly and make a lot more sense. And they point out the overall trend a lot better as well. So that's what we do there. All right, so as you can see here, still in a bear market. Technically speaking, still bear market. All right, prices did close higher than the open with strong bids going into the close, and the market pulse is positive since it's trading above the zero signal line. The pulse scan crossed above the swing VIX, creating an uptrend channel as of 2 weeks ago. The trend channel currently is up. We have a positive swing VIX, so we expect sideways to higher prices within the next 3 to 5 days. I'm going to pause right here and just say that for Monday's trading, this is just for Monday, I see a 80% chance of a continuation breakout pattern and a 20% chance of an inside day or inside week, meaning that we're not going to take out Friday's high or last week's low. We're just going to actually have a very extremely narrow range trading day with not a lot of price action at all. So there is a 20% chance of that happening, but an 80% chance of a continuation breakout, meaning that we take out Friday's high. And that's what I see for the stock indexes and for gold and silver as well. Just wanted to point that out there for Monday's trading. Here you have a nice upward slope, blue candles, positive swing VIX, red candles, negative swing VIX. Market's trying to do something. It's trying to establish the lows and say the bottom's been put in here. All right, but we're still bearish in this market, so I don't know. We'll have to let price action dictate what's going to happen from here. We'll see. All right, here's the gold market. As you can see, we broke out severely here. Really starting to extend the trend here. Broke out above the Kumo. Very powerful. So 80% chance of a continuation pattern here. And 20% chance of an inside day on Monday. Bottom's definitely been put in here. You see that the short-term trend line is right here. All right, about that 1200. Where did I say support was going to be in the prior videos? Does anyone remember? I said that gold support should be at 1200. I called that back when the gold was here, below the Kumo cloud. So our success in the videos has been right on track. The swing VIX has been capturing every bar, every week, consistently. That's what you want to see in trading. You want to see consistency. Alright, you don't have to always be accurate in your prediction of direction, but you do need a plan to trade and to be profitable even when you're wrong. And the best way to do that is with the stop and reverse. Alright, and you always let the market come to you. So, one thing to note here, we have a black trend or black bar, and we have a bomb in the bottom right hand corner. We have a bomb. It's not a good thing. This is an explosive bomb. That's saying that there is a 100% chance of an extreme explosive move. I liken it to the crash alerts and rally alerts that we put out as well. This is a little bit different though, because this is saying that something is happening behind the scenes in this market, in the price action. Something's happening in the options market. Something's happening in this market in general. That's not going to always show up on the chart. You need to be alert of that. An explosive move could be on the horizon. It could be up or down. But I say this, when you usually get one of these bombs, the moves tend to be explosive and without warning. It could be to the upside, it could be to the downside, I don't know. But there is precedence in the system for situations like this to happen. So you would do best to take heed to these moves. Last explosive warning was here. We moved sideways for a little bit. Market couldn't get to where it needed to be. and then next thing you know, we gave up the ghost and collapsed. All right, and that's a 100-point move from here to here. From here to here is 100 points. I am saying that I believe another 100-point move is coming. All right. All right, just wanted to show you the same thing in silver. Here's the blackness. Look at this move. We fell from up here, that's 1557, down to below 14, went to like 1350. So a 200-point move or $2 move in silver. All right, just want to warn you that you got to be prepared for just about anything in these markets. All right. One thing I want to add here, let's see here. Right now, when I pull up the silver, it looks a little bit different on the technical aspect of it. Still bearish in the market. See the little bear. However, we do have the silver readings are saying that the explosive bomb movement should be to the upside. So again, a 100-point move within minutes at the occurrence, at the onset of the occurrence. Gold to move 100 points within 2 to 5 minutes, and silver to move at least $1 within 2 to 5 minutes. All right, so that's the warning for trading on Monday. I just call it the way I see it. Just be prepared for something explosive to happen in the metals on Monday. It could be up or down. Either way, you want to have a plan to trade it. All right, or stand aside, however you're going to do it. Okay, I'm tired. I don't have a lot of time. I'll do my best to see if I can cover some more markets on Monday. I've been extremely busy. I've not had time to catch my breath because there's been so much going on in the world, and there's so many things, so many markets I want to cover. There's so much stuff I want to tell you guys that I don't want to rant and go on for an hour in the video. One other thing I want to talk about regarding the election real quick, just so you know, Trump is not going to win the nomination. His sole purpose for existing in this election cycle is to garner votes for Hillary Clinton. He is going to bow out gracefully and put his support and power behind Hillary. He has been a financial backer to Hillary and her campaign. For those of you who don't know, he has funded her. He only exists to help Hillary, and that's just how it is. So either Hillary's going to be the next president or Obama's going to remain in office. I called this like 2 years ago on Charlie McGrath's Wide Awake Radio, among other things. I told you guys what was going on. I made bold predictions there. Some people thought I was crazy. Now things are coming to pass, and I'm seeing other YouTubers starting to parrot what Charlie and I told you guys years ago on the radio show. Now everyone wants to join the bandwagon. So I will end my video by saying, trade the price action, not what you think. Things don't always have to make sense. The stock market could catch fire here and the Dow could move up 1,000 points from where it is now. Doesn't have to make sense. Gold and silver could be smacked down by the foreign central banks and could collapse from here. All right, things don't have to make sense. Just trade the price action and do what you do. But just remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. So take what you can, give nothing back. Be encouraged. Peace out.